It's like, I don't know why my lighting just doesn't. You have one job. It's just illuminate. Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Happy almost Halloween. If you follow me on Instagram, the other day I posted my yellow slime liner because it was like the 1 year anniversary of it, and I was like, hey, should I recreate this? And y'all was like, yeah. So I was like, all right, let me do it for y'all, because I didn't really do a lot of Halloween looks this year. I really didn't do a lot of Halloween looks this year, so I was just like, fuck it, this is easy for the person who wants to participate. A little bit, but not a lot. Try to insert like close-ups of it because it's hard with these big ass lashes. This is not going to be a long video at all, and I think I say that in every video. My mission is to not drag shit. I hope you guys like it. Everything that I use will be listed down below: the green, the black, the white, the lashes. Can I link these lashes? Yes, I can link these lashes. I'll link everything down below. If you have any questions, sound off. If you recreate this wing and you do not tag me in the pictures to show me like how yours came out, just punch me in the face now, because I'm going to be hurt internally. You don't want to do that to me. But anywho, we're going to get right into it. Go. So here we are. We did one eye off of camera because, in all honesty, I didn't know what direction this was going to go in, so I had to make sure it made sense. But now I know what I'm going to use exactly, and I'm going to walk you through step by step to show you how I achieved this little piece of razzle dazzle. I used one... Wait, how many things did I use? 1, 2, 3, 4. Who the hell is this calling me? Hold on, friends.
Few moments later.
All right, we're back. Sorry, I got a phone call. What was I doing? Oh, okay. We're starting the slime, so I got to zoom y'all in. So I'm just using this little disposable... Hey! All right, so I'm using this little disposable eyeliner wand, and I'm using the New Daughter's green Yin liner. So I sprinkled, what the... I sprayed some of the e.l.f. setting spray in the tapa of the liner, just so I could have something to dip it in and wet it. And right now I'm picking up product. The best thing about these slime liners is that they don't have to be symmetrical because it's slime. Who the hell ever saw identical slime in their life? There's no Mary-Kate and Ashley slime. I have the sniffles because it's officially fall. It's brick dick in New York and it just rained for like 8 days. So hold on. So I'm going to line the initial base. Oh, it's cold. Why is everything so cold? So I'm doing the initial base, if you could see me. And there seems to be a Tonka truck driving past my house right now. Okay, so that's laid down, right? Bam. You think we stopping right there? Yeah. So I'm picking up more green, or verde as the Latinos say, and I'm gonna go over it again. The good thing about this liner is it does not crack. I've had instances where I've used other liners and it will crack like nobody's beeswax, so I love the fact that this is buildable. So now it's time to make the swivels, and again, they don't have to be identical because it's slime. So whatever you feel comfortable to make a little hump, boom, there's a hump. I'm gonna make a little hump right here. Oh, that's a big ass hump. Okay, so this hump, we're gonna call you Humpty Dumpty. No, I don't like that. Oh no. Okay. All right. Okay, we've gone too far. So now the wing part. So the wing part is gonna be a little pinch of tricky. Just a pinch, just a piece, just a taste. So we take that and we go boom. Right. We make that initial line. So we made that initial line, and because I'm making the wing a little funky dunky shape, on the base of the wing, instead of keeping it that straight line, I'm gonna make a hump or a little driblet, right? It doesn't have to be perfect because we're gonna outline all of this with black. A hump look a little chump hump. Hold on, let me fix the chump hump. Okay. And I'm gonna extend that initial line a little bit more. Again, it doesn't, I got the really like sniffly sniffles. It doesn't have to be perfect, friends, because again, we're gonna outline all of this with black. You'll see it come together. Trust the process. It's gonna look rough before it looks good. This is good if you want to participate in Halloween without actually doing a costume. You just want something that's like making a statement. And you're gonna probably have to wear a mask anyway, so this is cute. It's a conversation starter. So now we gotta make the little droplets. I'm only gonna do 1 drop on this side because I did 2 on the other. So I'm going to, and I'm gonna make it like a little bit bigger than those are. So I make a line. I'm making a line, and then I'm gonna make another line, and then I'm gonna connect them at the bottom with a little swoop-de-doop. Okay, so now I'm just filling it in. Ooh! Now watch. So now we're gonna take the black. So now it's time to take the black. You already know my discontinued eyeliner, and I don't know what I'm gonna do once it's gone officially, but yeah, we're gonna use that. So all we're gonna do is very slowly and with precision trace the outline of this wing and go over the humps, like follow the lines that we made. And this, you could take your time. It does not have to be something you rush through. Okay, so you can see that a little bit. So I'm gonna do the other parts. Hold on. I didn't bother to sit close because I'm gonna, my whole knuckle is gonna be in the camera. It makes no sense. So let me just do this piece. So boom. Can you see that? It's outlined and it looks rough. Again, it looks rough, but this isn't an eyeliner that's supposed to be like, oh my God, it's so precise and it's so pretty. That's the best liner I've ever seen in my life. No. The imperfections is what makes it perfection. So now to add the details to the eyeball to make it a little bit more razzly dazzly, shaplowy, you take your black and you're just gonna add little random lines and stuff in it. And now to give it more dimension, we're gonna add a little paquito of blanquito. So we're gonna take white. This is the NYX Epic Liner in white. And I'm just gonna go right over those little black lines that I made. I did it. So now, while this is drying, because it has to dry, I'm going to do my lower lash line. So I'm taking this pencil from Urban Decay called Freak, and I think these are discontinued. Don't quote me. You might get lucky and find it on some like website or online shop, who knows. But I'm taking that and I'm just gonna smudge that in my lash line. I'm also using another throwback palette, which is one of my holy grail palettes, which is the Electric palette from Urban Decay. I'm taking a mixture of these 2 greens. Tap off the excess, because watch that. You see all that? Do you see that green smoke? Look at that. I'm gonna do it again. Always tap off the excess, especially if you already have your base down and you don't want fallout. And I'm just gonna sweep that in my lower lash line. Make it cohesive, motherfucker. Alright, sorry. I'm gonna zoom you guys in and show you what it looks like before I add the lash. Because once I add the lash, I feel like you can't really see it head on. As you can see, you only get the full effect if I look down. Isn't that so easy? I'm lying. I know somebody's gonna look at me like, bitch. But it really is a lot simpler than it looks. Because I did this in what, 10 minutes? If that? Even if you are not ready for today, it cannot always be night. All right, friends, that wraps this up. I hope that you like it and I hope that you recreate it. If you watch this whole thing, you better put a green heart down below. A green heart and a zombie. So I know. Yeah, green heart and a zombie. However the zombie emoji looks. That. So I know that you watched the whole video and that you like this. And that you care about me. Like, comment, subscribe, shop my merch. I love you guys. And there's more videos to come. Hopefully by the next time you guys come, this will be gone. The cases are supposed to get delivered any second now. I'm waiting patiently. I'm trying to make this more visually appealing for you guys. It's all about the aesthetic. And stop. I gotta stop being so pathetic. All right. That's it for now, friends. Until next time, I love you guys so much. Bow.